Welcome to Digital Electronics lecture series. I, Professor Hitesh Dholakia, is going to explain you full subtractor circuit in this session. So let me explain you first of all what is full subtractor circuit. See, full subtractor circuit performs 3-bit subtraction. So full subtractor circuit performs 3-bit subtraction. Now see how it performs 3-bit subtraction. So if I have 3 bits, let us say A, B and C, then full subtractor circuit that performs A minus B minus C, or we can say it performs A minus B plus C. See, this is what the basic operation that is been performed by full subtractor circuit. So see, here we have 3 inputs A, B and C, and we have 2 outputs. One is difference and second is borrow, right? So let me explain that. So see, here we have 3 inputs and 2 outputs. Inputs are A, B and C, and outputs are a difference and borrow, right? So with input there are total 8 combinations as 3-bit input is there. So those combinations are 000, 001, 010, 011, 100, 101, 110 and 11, right? So this is how we have 3-bit input. Now let us have this operation A minus B minus C. So that is what difference, right? So see, 0 minus 0 minus 0. So difference is 0 and we don't need to take any borrow. So borrow is even 0. Now see, 0 minus 0 plus 1. So 0 minus 1. So we need to take borrow. So let us take borrow 1, and as this is binary subtraction, here we need to take borrow with base 2. So 2 minus 1 that we need to perform. So 2 minus 1 that is 1. So here difference is 1. Again 0 minus 1 plus 0. So 0 minus 1 that is there, right? So 0 minus 1. So it cannot be performed, so we need to take borrow. So let us say borrow is 1. So once you take borrow, 2 minus 1 operation should get done. So 2 minus 1 that is 1. So difference is 1. Now 0 minus 1 plus 1. So 0 minus 2 that we need to do. 0 minus 2 cannot be done. So borrow is equals to 1. And as borrow with base 2 it is 2, so 2 minus 2 it will be 0. So here difference will be 0. Now 1 minus 0 plus 0, so that is having difference 1 and borrow 0. 1 minus 0 plus 1, so 1 minus 1, so difference is 0, borrow is 0. 1 minus 1 minus 0, so 1 minus 1 difference is 0, borrow is 0. 1 minus 1 minus 1, so 1 minus 2, so that cannot be performed. So here we need to take borrow. So once you take borrow, base will be 2. So 2 plus 1, 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 that is 1. So difference is 1. See, this is how we can have difference and borrow. Now to have Boolean expression, we need to solve this by having Carnot map. So here 3 variable Carnot map that we will be solving. So first I'll take it for difference. Now here we have A and B and over here it is C. So you can see over here with this K map, AB that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0 over here, and C is 0 and 1, right? Now you see difference D for 0, 0, 0, I can say it is 0 then 0 0 1 it is 1, then 0 1 0 you can see 0 1 0, so that is 1 again, then 0 1 1, so that is 0, then 1 0 0, so that is 1, then 1 0 1, that is 0, then 1 1 0, that is 0, and 1 1 1, that is 1. Right. So if you see this solution, right, then see this is how it is there. So this is what XORing operation that one can say, or even we can simplify that by taking individual addition. But as if you see this is how ones are there, right, then one can say this is XORing operation. Still I'll make it by having normal calculation, right. So this D, right, so this D, now you see this is one group that I can say. So AB 0 0, C is 1, so A bar, B bar, C, plus this one, that is AB 0 1, so A bar, B, C bar, plus this one, that is AB 1 1 and C 1, so A, B, C, plus this one, that is 1 0 with AB, so A, B bar, and C is 0, so C bar. If you take A bar common from this two, so this is A bar, so this will be B bar C plus BC bar, plus if you take A common, so this is what BC plus B bar C bar, right. So we can say this is what A bar into this is B XOR C plus this is A, and this is what B XNOR C, right. And again you can see this is how complemented version is there with each other. So this is A XOR B XOR C. So directly even we can say that is A XOR B XOR C, but by having this proof even we can make it, right. Now let us find borrow. So let us make borrow K-map. Here AB is there and here C is there. So C is 0 1, AB is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Now you see with 0 0 0 borrow is 0, 0 0 1 borrow is 1, 0 1 0 borrow is 1, 0 1 1 borrow is 1, 1 0 0 0, 1 0 1 0, 1 1 0 0, and 1 1 1, this is 1. So that is how borrow is there, right. Now here let us simplify this by having grouping. So you can see this is one group, right. So this group, that is C is common, and if you observe here A bar is there, so C A bar. With this group you can see this is A bar B, and with this group it is BC, right, where C is 1 and B is 1 over here, right. So here we can say this borrow B0, that is C A bar plus A bar B plus BC, right. So now we can form full subtractor. So in full subtractor we have three inputs and we have output as a difference, that is A XOR B XOR C, and we have borrow, that is C A bar plus A bar B plus BC. Now let us form a circuit. So here let us have A, B and C, that is our input. So XORing of A, B and C, that is our difference, right. But to form B0, all we need to do is we need to take a bar, you can see. So I'm taking a bar over here. Now this is a bar. Now a bar C. So this is AND gate that is resulting into a bar C. Now a bar B that I need to have. So this a bar and this. So this is a bar B. And now we need to have BC. Right? So this is BC. Now if you do ORing operation of all three, then this is borrow B0, that is C A bar plus A bar B plus BC, right? So that is how we can make full subtractor circuit. Now here one thing that we need to notice, see this is what full subtractor output, right? But if you compare it with full adder output, then in full adder sum, that is A XOR B XOR C, and if you see carry, so that is AB plus BC plus CA, right? So this is what full adder output. So if you observe the difference, then you will be finding like sum and difference are same with full adder and full subtractor. But if you see carry and borrow, then in borrow we have a bar as a difference, right? And if you observe here what we do, a minus b minus c. So as we do a minus b minus c, a bar is there. If you have done b minus a minus c, then there would be b bar, which is what we need to replace in this carry to have borrow, right? So that is how it is there. So in next video I'll explain you how we can form full subtractor from full adder, right? So in next video I'll be going to explain you how we can form full subtractor from full adder. Thank you so much for watching this video.